I know you read that title thinking, Jose, you're just doing that because you got a buzz cut. Damn right I am, but the thing is that, look, there's a lot of benefits to getting a shorter haircut. And in this video, don't think about it like, all right, you have to get a buzz cut. Think about it as 6 reasons why you should change your hairstyle. I'm doing buzz cut because your boy got a buzz cut, but let's hop into this. 1, it's easier maintenance. Lower cut hairstyles are not only going to be cheaper to maintain, they're also time efficient. Yo, I'm in and out of the shower in 5 to 10 minutes. I'm out the door. Whereas before, I had to put in the product. I had to use the blow dryer. It was a whole 3-step, 10-minute process that I have now cut, regained that time, which is extremely valuable. 2, low cuts expose bone structure. This is what I'm trying to get you to understand. See, I'm not telling you to go and just shave your head off like I did. Yeah, that worked for me. It could work for a lot of guys. But for the most part, if you're too scared to get a buzz cut, get a lower cut, right? It could be some sort of side taper. It could be some sort of crop cut where the top end is very, very low and the sides are tight. What you're basically doing is that you're bringing exposure or focus onto your bone structure. If you already have solid bone structure, your body fat is low, you got a good jawline, good cheekbones, a lower cut hairstyle will look way better on you. 3, it's cheaper. Both to get the cut and in the amount of product you're going to use to maintain the cut. See, usually, like right now, for whatever reason, I'm like 3 weeks out from a cut. I usually do every 2 weeks. I think my barber was out last week. So I'm 3 weeks out. I could still rock this and it doesn't look as bummy as when I had long hair. And 2-3 weeks pass by, like you can already tell it looks like a mop. You need to get into the barber to get that thing trimmed out. A hairstyle like this, you can maintain this thing at home every 2-3 weeks and just go to the barber shop every 3 weeks or even 4 weeks to make it look as clean as possible. In other words, you're going to save money. Same thing when it comes to products. You got a good set of products. You're not going to be flying through shampoo, conditioner, and grooming products because you got less hair to deal with than when you had longer hair. So you get a good set of products. You're probably good for 3-4 months. So matter of fact, drop the shampoo conditioner combo, that 2-in-1 cheapo you have. Go to heatgrooming.com and get yourself big boy grooming products. Both our shampoo and our conditioner are a killer duo that have tea tree oil to not only nourish the hair, but also biotin to keep the hair thick, to keep it growing. So on top of having insane ingredients, we have some of the best fragrances from France in our products. Go look at our reviews. Use our products. The user experience. Every time you shampoo and condition your hair with our stuff, bro, you'll never go back to regular stuff. And I know it's expensive, so I'm gonna hook it up. And not only is your new buzz cut not gonna require as much, so if you click the link down below, check out our shampoo, conditioner, and curling cream bundle. This is the perfect hair care kit. I'm gonna give you a 40% discount. This is the most affordable you'll ever get the hair care bundle at. And because you're not going to spend a lot because you got short hair, yo, this thing, have you seen how large our bottles are? This is probably going to last you 2-3 months if you use it conservatively, which means it's actually more affordable than the cheap stuff you buy at the grocery store that doesn't even make you smell good, bro. If you guys want to check out high-end shampoo and conditioner, click the link down below. Use that 40% discount because it's going to expire in 24 hours. 4, it's refreshing. Look, it's been hot as balls out in New York City. I'm talking 106-degree weather with the concrete boiling up. Do you really think I want to be dealing with the fuss of hair? Hair is biologically engineered to keep your body warm. We know this. So when you cut it down, what is it going to do? It refreshes, right? I tell you the same thing when it comes to your ball sack, right? You trim it down, get that airflow. Well, the same things happen up here in the noggin, right? We trim this thing down, the air is flowing, you feel refreshed, you ain't got to worry about frizziness or about the heat melting your styling product. Nah. You look good 24/7, which I should have done that another tip. You look good all the time. You wake up looking good, you go to sleep looking good, it's hot, you look good, it's cold, it doesn't matter. It just looks good when you have a short hairstyle. Number 5, the fades are crispy. Look, like I said, I'm 3 weeks out. But when your boy fades up, bro, because your hairstyle is so low, the emphasis now comes onto the fade. And when you got a killer barber like your boy does, yo, your fades are on point. You walk out a new man. Now you always walk out the barbershop confident, but when you have a low cut, because you don't have as much hair, the emphasis is on the cut itself, and if it's symmetrical, if the fade's crispy, you're looking amazing, bro. Which finally rolls us on to number 6. you just look badass. Look, on top of all these benefits, getting a buzz cut or a shorter hairstyle just makes you look more badass because you're bringing more emphasis on your bone structure, because you look good all the time, because you don't have to worry about the fuss of getting your hair done and styling your hair. You just look good, bro. You look tough all the time, even if you're sweating, if you're hot. Yo, I'm telling you, if you've been wanting to, this is your video tipping you over to get that buzz cut.